Yo, I think the way this is set up, I don't even think my Uber driver can even get over here. I gotta walk somewhere. Like I said, all the roads are blocked off. Shit. We had the Campari stand, so they have a whole bunch of stands around different parts of downtown Kingston. And the roads are blocked off from down there, so all the way up there. Honestly, from this morning, I've been kind of disappointed with Carnival, because I'm expected to be something, but it's not even like that.
Carnival time again. Hey, back to the kind of free place on road there. Everybody, up in the middle again. Surprise them. Every day big thing. I say you know what entertainment. Watch the streets. Watch the streets. My boss is going to get paid double tonight. The boss got cheer for you tonight. Come back. Please and thanks. Bike in you go. See that now?
why you know she was missing out. As the building go out from street vibes to come fuck up with me, right? I'm a million and up with cheese. If y'all drink something right now, put it up. If y'all drink something, put it up. I want to blast up the drink that's right. Nice. Get the white action. Everybody. Everywhere we party, everywhere we let me tell you why this.
Lots of ketchup. This is the same jerk lady from
Boat ride.
from the boat ride, yeah. I had to make a quick stop. Let me tell you something. I could eat jerk chicken every single day. Okay, so it's nighttime when to charge my phone. So now we're gonna head down to Independence Park. That's what we're gonna head down to right now for the end part of the carnival. Got the Uber. So why did I pay $5K to come into this party? And it's done. What a finesse. Honestly, this carnival wasn't it. For my first time in carnival in Jamaica, I might have to give it another chance here, but like it was just all over the place. It wasn't organized properly. And I'm just like what are we doing? It's just, yeah. But Trinidad is a must. 2026, God willing, Trinidad Carnival. I want to see that one.